All right, if you can see all this, I'm working on my 99 Power Stroke. I bought one of the modified turbo pedestals. Hard to prop the phone in here because there's nowhere to set it in the engine compartment. So if you can see it, you can see it. I gotta keep crawling in here. There's really no way to get in. Hang on a minute. Okay, you gotta crawl in here to work on anything. I tried pressure washing this 3 times, scraping the grease, different things in here that may or may not have leaked. And and I still see some. Now, why is that? So what I'm gonna do is, I think I already did this already. I'm just gonna spray that with a little brake cleaner, wipe it off. I've already done the seats, and it's really hard to kind of see back here. I don't even know if this will help. Kind of, sorta, but not sorta. A little bit. You gotta lay in here. Yeah, I see some. Damn it. I see some dirt. Okay. Now, I'm gonna use a little lubricate. Keep the O-ring in there. Wind blowing around.